We put an action plan in place that we have a 4-tier plan to get the school back up. We're working on contingency plans just in case we can't get Hoover open up on the first day. But our goal is to have school open on August 8th.
What's this? Oh, this is cool. Better than that. Yeah. Wow.
My Facebook page for the band told them go out in the community and do something. Go help them. Need seen, assignment given.
Yeah.
That's our motto.
Yeah.
If you see a need, fix it.
Yes.
And I said once we get on our feet, we're going to send some help to Richmond. Why not?
Why not?
And I just want to find out how to get our feet back on the floor. We got to get pounding that pavement. We got things to do. We got to get, we got to get out of the rocking atmosphere here on Friday nights. We got to get our community healed.
Oh yeah, no kidding.
We got to have some place for the community to go.
Yeah.
Thanks, Lord.
You need some new guitars to work on that.
Yeah.
Small town thinking is one of people that really want to stay together, and they support each other. They got each other's back.